Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today is rather misty. We get a lot of mist when you stay near a river. Today is particularly hard. I can see where I'm going. You can see close up, it's not too bad. But in the distance, it is pretty misty. I know, Scout. We're okay though, because we can see what we're doing, can't we? Right, today we're going to go left. And we're going to take the shortcut to the river so we can see what's going on. Oh, let's have a quick look. Wow, misty times. That looks like it could be the beginning of a very mysterious story. There's Cosmo. I remember his age. Yes, it's 14. And Scout, he is a year and a bit younger. He's 13. They're both doing pretty well for their age, as I think that's about 80 years in dog years, so to speak. So they're quite old for their dog breeds, and they're still quite fit. Now up there is Scary Hill, and I think it definitely looks scary in the mist. It's not really, we just call it that now after the Halloween video last year. And here is a bridge. Oh, and we can look at the burn here. Oh, some of the water's gone. I think that might mean the River Tay's letting it in. What's happening over this side? Oh, we need to be careful. We don't want to fall in there. We'll just stand on the edge here. Yep. It looks like the River Tay might not be as high today, but it's only a guesstimate. We don't know. Oh, look, you can hardly see those houses over there. I think we'll get full mist when we get next to the river, which will be very exciting. Trying to lighten it up, but that didn't really work. It just made the mist stand out more. Oh, look at the field. We've got to go into that in a minute. We're doing the shortcut to the River Tay. Oh, Scout's fine. He's got himself a stick, wagging his tail quite happily. I'm just out with the phone today, as it's a bit easy to hold as we're walking. This is the new road again. I think you know what we're going to be passing in a minute, don't you? Yes, it's the Witches and Wizards house, or home, or hut. You can call it what you like. It is very mysterious in the mist. Oh, Scout's dropped his stick. Is he going to go back for it? No. Oh. Where's your sticky wicket? Where's your sticky wicket? Yeah. Good boy. Oh, brace yourselves, folks. Get ready. The Witches and Wizards hut is right next to full-on mist by the looks of it. Wow. This is the River Tay, what you can see of it. We're going there. Now, you would never ever go into this unless you're with a responsible adult. Because one, you're next to one of the widest rivers, and two, one of the widest rivers in foggy mist. Always take a responsible adult with you. Right, are you ready? Let's go. You can just see where you're at, but you can't see where you've been or where you're going. Just right in front of you and no more. Let's look back. Can't see anything there. Yeah, the river's a bit lower today. Now, do you remember where we're going to? Yep, we're going to check on the brown bench, check out how it's doing in the mist. We've already looked at the river, whatever you can see of it. Wow, here's the field, and here's the river. Look at us, still remaining safe on the path, but going on an adventure in the mist. Pretty cool. At least it's not slippy, either mud or ice. It's not too bad at all. This was in Misty a minute ago, and now where we were is Misty. It's quite cold. As my breath, I'm having to think about breathing because the air is very, very moist because of the mist. Although I can't see it where I am, it's like walking through a misty shower. Now, can I tell you a story about Cosmo? What a dog. The river came up quite far last week and somehow deposited what I now found out was a salmon on a bit of the bank. Can you see where this story's going? Yes. When the river subsided back to its normal level, the poor salmon was stranded. Now, I don't know how long it had been there, but let's just say this pupper had dinner. So he was able to have salmon for dinner. That's quite posh, isn't it? I think the salmon was already dead because they don't last that long out of the water. But he had salmon for dinner last week. He was very proud of himself. Not that he did much hunting, it was just lying there on the bank, but there we go. I'll let you see the River Tay. I don't know if you can see that bird flying in the distance. is the bench. It's all safe and sound. Cosmo's checking it out. Yep. Can we sit? Let's have a look. No, it's wet, so no sitting. But at least we know it's safe. And I think today's walk will finish on the bridge, as I know lots of music students at the RCS love the big brown bridge. So this is for you music students, music and drama, and particularly jazz. This image is for you. We'll take us all to the end of the bridge before we say goodbye. We might even have a look at the barn here. Oh, look! The bird's quite high here. And maybe not as much as getting out as we thought. Interesting. Anyway, let's go to the end. Cosmo, are you having a look and a think? There's no more salmon in there, matey. So this is for all the music jazz students in Edinburgh and Glasgow and wherever, and also RCS. Bye, Cosmo. Scout! Bye! Could you see Scout there? And it's bye from me. Hope you enjoyed our misty, mysterious walk. See you next time.